This is Outrun the Rain. It's a song about young love turning into a beautiful old love. Hope you like it. I only get to see you smile 30 minutes a day. It's all the time we have for playground play. When you don't come to school, I feel broken in two. Just seeing you makes me crazy. That's when I knew I loved you. That 5th year of school still makes me grin. We played and walked and talked till the bell rang again. Fairwood School was just a parking lot away, and if it clouded up, we could outrun the rain. We could outrun the rain. We could outrun the rain. Back then, summers lasted all summer. Seems next day we were grown. You went off to college, I stayed back home. Would you find Mr. Right in those ivy halls? I cross my fingers every year when you'd go back in the fall. Wars and rumors of wars. Our country took a stand with a family on serving foreign lands. Pray to our Holy Father to lead the way. And when it clouded up, we could outrun the rain. We could outrun the rain. Pulling a red wagon now, grandkids in tow. It's clouding up some, we better go. Hand in hand, we pick up the pace, and with a smile we say, we can outrun the rain. We can outrun the rain. We can outrun the rain. I only got to see you smile 30 minutes a day. It's all the time we had for when you didn't come to school, I felt broken in two. Just seeing you still makes me crazy, and I know I still love you. We can outrun the rain. We can outrun